Hi everyone, in this review video I'll show you how I used AI to get some free Amazon gift cards. I asked ChatGPT how to get free Amazon gift codes and it suggested a site called codesgpt.com. A GPT Store developer built this site to find the best working free gift card sites. CodesGPT.com works by using its algorithm to search the internet and to find huge amount of data, which it processes from the free gift card platforms. It then tells you the best site to visit and to get your free gift card. Let's check this site out. Here are all the built-in prompts where you pick your free cards. I have chosen an Amazon gift card. So CodesGPT.com has suggested this site called twixhub.club. I will click on the link to go to twixhub.club to get a free card. You need to watch the video until the end to see the whole process to get your free card. As you can see, twixhub.club are offering free Amazon gift cards. This just shows some information about the site and the cards that have been sent out and cards still available. There is also a customer feedback section and some FAQ that people ask. Just click this button and you are directed to a new page which shows the value of the cards that are available. I will select the $100 card, so we'll click here, then the Proceed button. To get your free gift card code, just complete the next stage, which only takes a couple of minutes. I got my free code earlier as I wanted to keep the video short and not to bore you too much. Now go to Amazon.com and sign in to your account to redeem the free code from twixhub.club. Select Account and then choose Gift Cards. Click on the Redeem a Gift Card, then paste your free card code that you got earlier and click to the Apply on your balance button. You'll see that $100 has been added to the balance. twixhub.club is a safe and secure site that really works with plenty of free codes available. Thanks for watching and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.